Today, I'm presenting a fabulous Eterna with a black dial, which is quite rare for pocket watches. Stay until the end of the video to learn a bit about the brand's history in the world of watchmaking. Let's get started. Founded in 1856 in Switzerland, Eterna became synonymous with innovation and precision in watchmaking. From the very beginning, its watches impressed with their classic design and reliability. The brand was originally called Dr. Gerard and Schild and in 1906 officially became Eterna. It quickly gained an international reputation thanks to the quality and durability of its watches. In 1948, Eterna revolutionized automatic watches by creating the rotor mounted on 5 ball bearings, more efficiency, less wear, and greater precision. To this day, these 5 balls are part of the brand's logo. In the 1950s and 60s, Eterna launched iconic models such as the Kontiki, worn by explorers on real expeditions, proving that their watches were reliable even in the most extreme environments. Eterna's movement division gave rise to the famous ETA, which would become the world's largest Swiss movement manufacturer. The brand has always been synonymous with innovation and technical excellence. Even after the quartz crisis, Eterna continues to produce luxury mechanical watches, keeping alive the tradition of quality, innovation, and timeless design. Today, Eterna continues to captivate collectors and watch enthusiasts around the world, maintaining its legacy of precision, innovation, and timeless elegance. A true icon of Swiss watchmaking.